Hello again. Thanks for coming back. It's Kim from Serene Bookworks, obviously. And today I wanted to share a really quick photo album that I just finished not too long ago that I am going to be using for when we take our first cruise in November. I'm super excited. I'll just show you really quick. This again is excuse me, based off of a Paul Ford tutorial. If you're searching for this particular pattern, you might want to search on his Facebook group. I'll try to remember to link all of that. It's the Savannah that he uses. The reason I like him is because he gives you the basics and then you can just do whatever you'd like with those basics. I'm trying to use some paper, especially some large 12 by 12 paper, and he has great ideas for how to use that and get the most out of it. And so that's what this one is. I searched through all of my papers and I found some fun travel and nautical themes since we're going on a cruise. And this is a mishmash, words are hard, mishmash of 7 Gypsies, graphic 45, I might have graphic 45 in here, I'm not sure, but 7 Gypsies for sure, Tim Holtz, and authentique, as I think how you say it. And then assorted random pieces of whatnots here and there that I'm going to add once I get all of the pictures in. My idea is I'm going to pack a lot of cards, and each night before we go to bed, we'll write down what happened on that day, what we ate, what we saw, what we did, if we met anybody, things like that. So I have a whole bunch of ephemera to put in it after I'm done loading the pictures, and then I will decorate it and such. These are cool. I made these with my Cricut, and they are the little pull tabs. And then I just put, stickers and random little pieces of whatnot on there. And excuse me, you can put, a photo on there. And I'll show you some spots here. Let's get into this. This was made out of some really thick spare cardboard. Not really cereal boxes, but like some packing cardboard because it's a little thicker. And of course, love my book tape. I want them to start making different colors, so let's petition for that. This is obviously 7 Gypsies paper that I have had since I began my channel, I don't know how many years ago. It's time to use it. So, it's getting used. If you hear that, it took me a while. I have a magnet here and a little washer there. It took me a while to get those on there, but I did it. So here we go. Let's break this bad boy open. As you can see, it's quite large. And you can see also that it's somewhat eclectic because of the different papers that I used. We will start over here. There's a very large pocket built into the side there. This does come off, well, untied, I should say. Let's just do that really quick so you can see what that is there. That's some more of the 7 Gypsies paper. This, of course, is Tim Holtz paper, but there's no pocket or anything here. This is more of a holding on to your larger documents type pocket. I need to know what kind of string everyone else uses for theirs. But anyway, you can just tuck things into like this. And also right here. And again, he uses the big papers that everybody likes but nobody wants to cut. That's why I like it, because, oh look, yeah. He put his this way rather than this way. Again, you can do whatever you like. It doesn't matter. Throw your own spin on it. And you can see how cute that is. Right here, this would be really cute to attach some ephemera, maybe things that we've picked up along the way. Same on this side. Who knows what we'll end up picking up, receipts or menus, anything like that. Also, a pocket here, and a little tab here. His tabs were different. Again, that's what makes it wonderful, is you can do your own thing. We'll open this back up. And there's some more pockets here for photos, memorabilia. And he had, again, his that could open. I just left mine kind of shut, I guess you could say. And I glued it so that things can just slide in and out. Like so. I'm not going to undo that a lot, so I just kept it like that. All right, using those scraps up here, here, and you can see how it kind of blends together. It's eccentric, but it still blends. I really, really enjoy it. So here we go with this side now. And again, we've got a huge pocket over here. We've got this fun little flap pocket here. That's just a fun flap for decorative purposes. We're going to open that up, and you can imagine how beautiful some big pictures would be here with some ephemera and some decoration. And again, I've got all kinds of that sort of stuff here once I get some photos. These are photo pockets here, and I just put these in there to show you the different ways. That one's too big for that one. The different ways you can put things in. And again, save all of your scraps because they make great backings and things like that for your photos. And then this opens up. Let's get this back over here. There's another page that would be great with some photos and some ephemera. I'm so excited to just get this going. Won't that look beautiful? Lots of Tim Holtz on this side. And this is the authentic paper on this flap here. I've got a little tab here. It says Explore. I just found that in my box of little knicky-knack pieces. And this pops open. I don't know if you can see all the way up there or not because we're getting pretty big here. Let's see if I can bring it out. There we go. That's just the flap there. Of course, you could put a photo or something on the top of that, dress that up. And then this is a rather large gusseted pocket that you could put all kinds of stuff in right here. And again, if you wanted to put a photo or something down here, you certainly could. There's just so many ways that you can make this your own, and I'm just so excited to get going on this. And there we go. I think it'll look fabulous. Like I said, save all of your pieces because you can photo mat here. I kind of like that, so I probably won't, but I might up here. so many different things that you could do here. So many. He put extra magnets and such in his. I didn't feel that was really my thing. I did like the magnet on the top to keep everything kind of there. Again, he gives you all of the measurements. He walks you step by step through everything. Let me just show you how neat and tidy everything looks there. Lots of room for all kinds of pictures, memorabilia, anything you want. I'm super excited to get these decorated with some pictures. All right, another quick one that I just showed you there. And I'm gonna get to work on another one. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do a Halloween one. I think that Graphic 45 Halloween paper is calling my name. All right, see you guys. Bye.